Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful green, it's almost an olive green shade, olive and mehendi mixed shade. And we have very beautiful design, block printed all over in the pallu, along with the jari lines, the same color, pallu color blouse piece with one side yellow borders. We have a bright yellow shade saree. It's in a mango shade yellow, goldish yellow we can tell, with elegant design block printed. It looks almost like a hand paint, but it's a block printed, both sides with white and red flower pattern. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful sea blue, something between green and blue color, mild green tinge blue it is, with zari lines and zari border. Same color blouse piece with one side green borders. The saree is a beautiful color, light green shade, almost in light parrot green color with dark green, blue and green mixed color, butta designs that is block printed, and we have the borders in the pallu color itself. Very elegant, most wanted design, will stock on heavy demand with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red pallu, zari lines and zari borders in the pallu with same red blouse piece. Beautiful combo, red and half white, a very fast moving and very wanted beautiful combo. Completely cream, mild sandal tinge cream color, base Tassa color for the saree, plain one with the temple border and the zari border in the both sides. Very elegant one, red and cream combo with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful maroon, reddish maroon color blouse piece and pallu. Pallu have beautiful block prints and zari lines. Same pallu color blouse piece. Just the zari border, gold color zari events all over the saree, even on the blouse piece. And this saree is a very different concepted one. You can see the borders, zari borders are on red base. Next to that we have a small border design at the top and a small red portion running on the top as well. And next to that we have fully printed design on the half white base using black color. The concept is also very beautiful, hut kind, closely weaved design. Very different exclusive piece with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue shade pallu on saree, royal blue shade with the prints as well as zari lines in this pallu. Little different shade it is, almost a peacock neck shade blouse piece, but almost both are in similar shades. Royal blue, completely the body color is with the fully printed design in the body, diamond as well as a different pattern, all over printing, horizontally it's been done. A very elegant, simple, beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a light green color, almost an apple green pallu with zari lines and same color blouse piece with zari borders. The saree is in beautiful cream color, half white, sandal half white color. The prints are completely done using grey and green here. Very elegant one with the light green pallu color borders in both sides. Excellent concept, new one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful brick red color pallu with ajrak kind design block prints in the pallu with zari lines. Same color blouse piece, pallu color. Complete saree is in dull finish, half white with light blue tinge. And we have a beautiful square pattern. Two colors used for single square here. Opposite way it is alternatively done using red and brick red and the royal blue. And the borders are again in the brick red base color. Very elegant, new design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light blue color saree with same color pallu and blouse piece. The pallu have zari lines, the blouse piece have both sides zari borders. Whole saree have the zari border on the base, same blue shade, light blue color, with the printing alone in the contrast concept here. Pink and half white used for the block printing. Very elegant, beautiful, simple saree with elegant creation of the big saree. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very colorful pallu, blue and purple color is given alternatively with zari lines and block prints vertically done. Beautiful design with purple blouse piece, a bright purple color with very elegant one side border that is done in blue. The saree completely is in beautiful mustard yellow with light green tinge, very elegant one. The borders in the pallu, purple color, white flower design, the mango design is also printed, and we also have black prints in the border portion. Very elegant one, colorful and beautiful saree with organic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu, very different design. Almost all colors are given in the pallu. On that, the vertical zari lines is also given with magenta pink color blouse piece. With one side we have the dark royal blue color borders. The saree have beautiful design, royal blue. Next to that we have the magenta pink, and the lower half is completely half white with the floral pattern. Multiple colors used for the flowers, and the zari border is also in royal blue. This very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful and dark colorful saree with pallu in two colors, dark royal blue and pink with zari lines. And the same royal blue is given for the blouse piece here with one side pink borders. The complete saree is in colorful, beautiful version. The top is completely dark pink, magenta pink in dark shade, with the lower part same way in blue, Ganga Jamuna type, with center part completely in half white, that is a dull finish half white with black printing design. The printing is completely a floral design. Excellent, colorful, beautiful, different pattern saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful yellow, black and green in the pallu, vertically different designs with the fish motif design in the pallu also. Vertical lines, zari lines is given, and we also have a green blouse piece here, contrast blouse piece. Body have beautiful pattern. The top half is completely brown, the lower half is completely printed on white base. Very elegant fish pattern is printed, and it is kind of very different design. Almost the top half is completely done in this design, half and half pattern, and the lower half we have the diagonal printing version. Same way, brown and half white design is done, but it is done in a very different way. Beautiful, same pattern but printed in a very beautiful design. Exclusive piece with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red pallu with block prints, white used for the block printing, and we also have the zari lines as usual in the pallu with same red blouse piece, and we have a dark burgundy brown in the borders. The saree is in same burgundy with mild purple mixed color. Very beautiful different shade, and you can see the choco brown base for the Buddha designs. That is also block printed using half white. We also have the red borders in both sides with block prints as well as zari lines. Combination is very rare with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with zari lines. Same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the zari borders alone. Running color concept. The body color is also green, the center part. On the top and bottom we have half white portion with the royal blue color printing, mango design and florals. And we also have the zari borders done on the green piece. Very elegant saree, combination is very pretty. The exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful Rama green shade, dark Rama green shade saree with same color pallu Very different design, block printed, brick red used for the block printing, white and brick red. Same color, saree color and pallu color blouse piece, running blouse piece it is, green shade. The complete saree is in the same green shade with very elegant all over printed design, almost like an Ajrak printed design with a half white and brick red color. Very elegant with the borders also in Rama range. Elegant and different saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink pallu, plain pallu with zari lines and zari border. Very elegant one with same magenta pink blouse piece, a dark pink color. The saree is in very elegant cream shade. Cream and pink goes really well. You can see it's a very different pattern printing also. Borders as well as staircase type pattern printing is done in the saree. Floral design. Pink used for the printing and the zari border is also on the base pink. Very elegant one, a classy collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multicolored pallu, shades of green, yellow and pink is given here, dark whitish pink with zari lines in the pallu, and same pink color, magenta pink it is with one side blue borders, colorful pallu and blouse piece and contrast one for the body. The body is completely in royal blue, very elegant royal blue color with the butta designs, block prints done in half white. Very beautiful mango type design that is done one in a row in the top and two at a row in the bottom. Very simple yet beautiful collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark green color, algae green color pallu with block prints and zari lines, and we have same green blouse piece. Very different combination for the body color. The body is a beautiful dark pink, almost in magenta pink shade with the temple border as well as the green border. Below half we have the half white color printing on the green border. Very elegant one. The combination is very different. Unique collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black and white concept saree, black pallu with white block prints, and we also have the zari lines. Very elegant one with the same black blouse piece, zari borders in the blouse piece also. The complete saree is in beautiful white base with the zigzag lines pattern horizontally done using black. Very beautiful border, and the zari border is also on black base. Excellent concept with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful bird design block prints done on the pallu with zari lines also, and we have a yellow blouse piece, a goldish yellow color. The same yellow and half white and black is given in the pallu. The saree is in creamy half white color. Beautiful one with the block prints, the bird pattern done using yellow and pink alternately. We also have a temple border done in black color. The borders are also on the half white base itself with a thin border in yellow. Very classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful half white color with light blue tinge of dull half white with checked pattern, chessboard pattern in dark blue, Russian blue color. Same color for the blouse piece with one side green borders. Very different concept of the pallu and the blouse piece. Completely contrast blouse piece it is, and the saree is in dark olive shade. Beautiful color, and we have the fish motif, very famous design printed in the both side borders along with the zari borders. Zari borders are again in the olive shade itself. Very elegant color and collection with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pink and red color in the pallu with zari lines and block prints. Brick red base with the same color brick red blouse piece. One side we have the dark pink color borders. The saree have a ultimate contrast combination. Blue, Ananda blue color, plain saree almost with the only two color borders in the bottom. Red as well as pink are used here with the black block prints and white block prints, floral pattern. The same black border design is running in the top also with the brick red base color for the both sides zari borders. Completely a contrast concept saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with block prints in half white base, orange and yellow is used for here. Very beautiful pallu with same pink color blouse piece, complete contrast to the body. The body is in cream color with the block prints, the pallu type block prints in the both side borders, one at a row in the top and 2 times in the bottom. Horizontally it's been done with the pink borders in both sides. The zari border is on the pink base. Excellent concept, very elegantly done. A classic collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful purple and green in the vertical splittings in the pallu with same zari borders, same color, green color, Rama green shade blouse piece, very contrast one for the body. The body completely is in base, cream color, half white, and we have the very different pattern printed all over. Purple prints as well as the green and orange used for a printing, yellow, multiple colors are used, and the borders of the zari border is done on the base Rama green color. Excellent concept, very different exclusive piece with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu of yellow, mustard yellow and green shade for the pallu. Same green blouse piece with red borders, maroon border almost. Big checks design all over, maroon base color with the checks inside. This completely done using mustard yellow here. A beautiful color, and again the block prints are done using maroon. The borders of the saree is in green. 3 different colors, very elegantly used with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a black pallu with white and block prints on the white base with zari lines as well. A black blouse piece, contrast with the body. The body is here in cream base with very elegant block printing done using multiple colors. The top portion we have the block prints done using black and blue. And lower half we have black, blue as well as a light blue and green done. Very elegant one with the black borders. Excellent classic collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with red pallu, cotton flower design, block prints and zari lines in the pallu with plain blouse piece. And we have the same red for the body also, running color concept. Completely plain in the top, and the 3/4 of the saree is plain, and lower half we have the printing design. It's completely done using half white with very elegant zari borders on both sides. Comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful yellow pallu with zari lines and zigzag lines in the vertical way. The same yellow blouse piece with one side black borders, black and yellow, very beautiful combination. Almost the yellow is also in mustard shade. You can see the borders again in the mustard shade with the leaves pattern printed in the lower half of the saree alone. That is in 2 colors, dark greyish green and the mustard yellow. Excellent one. The combination is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful red, a light tomato red color, brick red also we can call, with a very elegant block prints and vertical zari lines. Same color, brick red color blouse piece with one side the body color border. The body is a very different color here, mixed color, purple mixed with blue to get a very different shade. It is purple in a very different version, and we have the block prints that is done in leaf pattern in white, and we also have the red base for both side borders, and that is also having zari borders as well as block prints. Beautiful black temple border is also given. Excellent and very new color collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black saree, something in a elephant greyish black color, not very in jet black, little lighter shade, beautiful color with same color blouse piece, completely in black here, running color concept. And the saree, we have the prints in the half white color, creamy half white. Only on the printing portion, the black is darker, and we have the beautiful floral pattern border as well as the zari border on the side. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green pallu, light green with block prints in the half white base and zari lines, and same green blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The saree completely is in cream color base with beautiful temple design borders as well as a floral border, completely done using yellow and green colors. The border is again in the green color itself with the buttas done in yellow and green again. Beautiful combo. Has a small thin line running in the whole both side borders, that is done using royal blue. Very different collection, an exclusive piece with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a light blue color, beautiful pallu. The complete saree is in light blue with the pallu having a very elegant village pattern, block printed in half white color, and same color running color blouse piece. As I said, it's completely in blue base with the same block prints in the village pattern, block prints in the block borders as well, both sides, along with the beautiful cotton flower kind block prints in the border. Excellent color. Only the buttas are contrast here. Elegant pastel shade with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree with pink pallu, magenta pink shade, a beautiful color, glossy one with the same color blouse piece. Pallu have zari lines as well. The whole saree have the zari border on the pink base, and we have little lighter shade pink for the body with the dark pink prints. Different concept, very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful turmeric yellow color pallu with zari lines, same color blouse piece with green borders one side. A very elegant collection. The complete saree is in cream half white color with the both side top and bottom borders having the yellow, and we have the block prints done using the mustard yellow and green shades. Beautiful collection, classy one with authentic silk.